Okay, this is part 2. I dropped my phone, my video maker, so hopefully you can see. So hands, got both hands. This is up out of the hole at the bottom. Bottom should be free. Okay, if you have someone help you, much better. Okay, so we're just trying to get this condenser up through that chamber. Okay. There it is. Here's the other side, so it's working. Okay, so it's up. We don't want to pull it all the way through. So we have to put the new one back in. The old one, we could break the hose off of it and it could come straight up, but we have to remember about putting in the new one. So let's see here. Let's see here. Should go down a little more. Okay, get it up a little higher. I know the new one has to come in, so there can't be a huge amount of pressure, but it looks like you'll need someone to help you because you don't want to bend the fins on the new one when it goes in there. So if you can have someone hold back the radiator while you deal with. Move that one out of the way. About another 1/2, 3/4 inch I need to go. Okay, it's going. A little bit. I'm wondering about angling it. I wonder if I angle one side. So the tough part, it seems, is getting the hose, the aluminum hose, past the middle. So yeah, I guess that is the challenge. So I just made it pass, but I only have one person. You'll need 2 people to do it, especially when you put the new one in. And try not to scrape your bumper. Might want to put a piece of paper of a towel, swimming towel down there or something. Anyways, it's coming out. And I'll stop the video for now.